Kuble pi baro ngi pedang sngop hai pi chikatup kubor mentaga janmit. Shwaban pai chiki kubor ki babanya ngi ni pechwai ki mat bakongsan. Bu jingkeli kaliang persya halor ke jing bamla thungkam hakit nat trekam bapher. Wengno ka sorkar jela ka rai ban seng ki kasino ha ka jela. Onya tai ka sorkar berkipat ba haswa ban pentre kam ye galinti rel ha ka jela. Badyok pediang khat kendai peli ki jingdawa ban thaw ye ka CNRD block ka bathmai yathu menteri ka tanat CNRD. Ki khubor ki babnya Umentri rangba ka jela ukan rat ki sangma ulapan pau hapok ka yeng dorbar thau an hene kasngi baka jinglum jingtip hakabaya dei bat ki kam ki balat ya ki ba ompat thung ha ki tna trekam ba pher kalong ka ba yar bat kala kalnan bat kwa ban ai ki jingtip ki babakla hapok ka yeng ya kini ulaya thu haba jubab ya ka jingkali balawan ra do MLA ka seng All India Trinamool uba George Lingdo Umentri rangba ula sya bu chibun ki jingkali ha ki dukhat kaliang persya ha ka baya dei baga jingbamla banthung kam ha ki tna trekam ha ka kenta kali jingkali jong ka dorba sanrai.
We give the number as of now, which is the net of the vacancies that have arisen and the employment that has been given and recruitment has taken place, and hence this is the number as of now. So that would be the correct way. Giving a number of every year is giving the wrong picture, because then you have to give the number of the advertisements taking place. Hence, sir, it complicates a lot of things, and that question, in fact, would be even more complicated then. Hence, that's why I replied, sir, that the information is being collected, and I've already shared some of the information about more than 3,000 advertisements that are under process with the different recruitment boards.
Umentri rangba ka jela ukan rat ki sangma henin ka sngi ulapan pau hakilat pathai khubor hadin ka jingsha kno hakinong elam niam ba pher kikin hun seng bhalang bat ki khli nong elam shnong halor ka jing ailat ban seng ye ki jaka khalai ni ki casino industry hari bhoi haka baul ong baga sarkar kalarai ban ailat shu ban seng ye ki casino hari bhoi Habayakren baga DD News Meghalaya, Secretary ka KHASI Jaintia Christian Leaders Forum, Pastor EH Kharkongor, Ulaong baga jingpen pau, Menteri rangba ka pen ya ka jingbam tip tikna, barka nongrim jongka forum kalong, ban ailat haka ban wan seng ye kinu ki casino haka jala.
What is clear to us is that from now on, from the time that the government has received these concerns expressed by different groups, including church leaders, from now on, these processes will not move forward. The forum has taken a stand that we don't want a casino industry to be set up in the state. We don't want it to be set up now or in the future also, because we are concerned about the future of our youth, the future of our state.
Umentri rangba ka jala ukan rat sangma ula pentip haka yeng hene ka sngi baka sarkar kan yat bet chakmat haka banwan ra ikalinti rel haka jala hadin ka jingya tai sani berkipat ba haka jingkali bala kali do menteri kitna transport uba dasakyat lamare bala ka sarkar kan yat bet ne em baka jingwan ra ikalinti rel haka jala ukan rat ula ong baka sarkar jala kumju ka sarkar India ki thrang ban yat bet chakmat nabaki kwa ban yoi baka jingwan ra ikalinti rel kan ai jingmentoy shiboni ki pat ba jo ka jala Henry ka sarkar klashim ye gajing perkhat halor ka jing sngokhia balapan pau de kikin hon seng ki patba bar ki seng tre mon sngovha sho konrad ulaong bauladep ai jingkren bar umentri bade khmi ye katnat railway banakaliang ka sarkar kan yat be chakmat halor ka ni ka benta
Very clear from day one, and I've informed the government of India, Honorable Railway Minister, that we will only proceed forward after we engage and discuss with stakeholders, as it is being done for the people, and if people are feeling that it's not required, then we will see problems coming in the future. Hence, we must take people on board, we must discuss, we must consult, and only then we move forward.
Umentri badekmi ikatanat Community and Rural Development uba Hamletson Darling hinegasngi ulayathu hakayeng bakamdon kanu kajingkular bantaw blok batmai Henry kalayo pediang yeshibun tali kishiti barkijing dawa Ulaong yakani haba ai jubab yakijingkali blawanra do MLA ka AITC uwinasan sangma bantaw blok batmai hakathan pura khasya Haba ai jubab pat yakijingkali blawanra do MLA shimet uba lambor malngyang uba Hamletson ulaong bakidon hadu khat khandai tli kijing dawa balayo pediang dakatanat naka benta bantaw CNRD blok batmai Kadbau MLA ke nongpo uba Miral Bonds ia mula kerpat nak sorkar ban perkhat no halor bantaw ya ka CNRD blok ha umden Hakawai pat kalyang uba UMLA ka maulai uba PT Saukme ulakali no menteri badekmi halor ka jinglot jingsep nak benta bantaw ya ka blok thamai hakaba uba Hamletson ulaong ba ka jinglot jingsep kalong kumba khat ar klor tingka Chairman ka GHDC uba asan ke Shangpong baru MDC ka Nongspong Soyong uba Sher Bolang El Maulong kilalet ban pinya so elade bar ka NPP henen gasngi ha ka jinga don lang u president ka seng ubalong ru menteri rangba ka jela u Konrad ke sangma usimbut menteri rangba uba president tensong u MP ka Rajya Sabha uba WR Kharluki bar kiwe ki dukhat joka seng
And hence every decision you make, every work that you do must be guided by a spirit of serving the people of the state and the country. So if you don't keep the people at the heart of what you do, then you will get lost in this entire complexity of politics and public service.
Ka Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha BJYM kalapin ko burom yoba M Kharkrang ubla shong thait na kakam kum u IPS hasu sutham auditorium hakajinga don lang uba Ernest Mauri ubade president ka BJP hakajala u MLA ka BJP uba AL hek par kiwe ki riu paukmat Kinoyalam ka seng BJP klayakren halor ki kam jong ka seng bar kiwe ki kam baka seng kadang pentre badru ka jingkong san jong ka hok ban thep vote
kalau menjadi hal semua menjadi bantayan hal ini sebenarnya hal yang bermanfaat.
Mentapat ngin pet ye kajing long jingman kasing beneng hasilong Kajing shit kalong arpusaw point iwe degree Celsius ba kajing kret kalong kanyo point lai degree Celsius kajing sngam ka haw kalong khandai pu pra na kashi spa min step but khandai pu lai na kashi spa janmet kajing hap slap kalong 0.9 mm kandon ru kajing hap slap haki babon ki jaka Sashi sian gi pinkan mau ye pi ba ya kani ko khubor jangi pilaru ban pet live ha ka YouTube channel jong ka DD News Shillong Shwaban poi shiga bakut jaga thup khubor ngini pet biang sai shisiani kimat bakong san Bo jingkali kaliang persha halo ka jingbam la thungkam hakitna trekam bapher Weng no ka sorkar jalai ka rai ban sengi ki KHASI no ha ka jala Onya tai ka sorkar berkipat ba haswa ban pentrekam ya ka lintirel haka jela Badyo pediang khat khandai pli ki jingdawa ban thaw ya ka CNRD block batmai yathu menteri katnat CNRD Di parlok katung ila poi shaka bathup Shaka bakut jong kathup kubor mentaga janmet hadu bangide shambyang bat phila shai kasngi kuble phi barwa